Facebook is the greatest social media platform that helps us to connect. But beyond that, do you know, you can make hundreds of dollars every single day with Facebook. Well, people are making cool money with Facebook just doing one thing. This video is specifically created to help you start earning with Facebook. Instead of spending hours just scrolling, liking, and commenting on status without making any money, this is your golden chance to start earning with Facebook. The method you're going to learn in this video requires no experience, no formal skills, it's available worldwide, and it is absolutely free. Just get yourself a computer or a mobile phone and an internet connection, and you're ready for this tutorial. Be sure to stick around till the end to understand all the steps, because if you miss a step, you won't understand the whole process to get you earning. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without wasting time, let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to start earning with Facebook is a Facebook account. Why? Well, because most of what we're going to discuss will revolve around Facebook. Now, I'm pretty sure a vast majority of you already have a Facebook account, and that's cool. But if you have not signed up for a Facebook account, the process is quite simple. Just visit the facebook.com website and you'll see a login form for those who already have an account. Because you don't have an account, click on Create a New Account button down below the login form. A new sign-up form will pop up where you can now fill in your personal details, starting with your name, then the mobile number or email address, password, gender, and date of birth. Then click on the Sign Up button, confirm your email address, and voila, you have your new Facebook account. Now, with your new Facebook account already created, the next step is to go ahead and log into your account. On the upper left corner of your screen, you can see a search bar. Just search for funny memes, and this is what you'll see. But in this case, I want you to click on groups so that Facebook can filter and only show funny meme groups. All these groups you're seeing are the ones we're going to use to help us earn $600 and even more. Towards the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you one simple Facebook strategy that will help you earn even more with this method. You're probably wondering where exactly we can sell our memes, right? Well, don't worry, because that is exactly what I want to show you. The main website that is going to help us with that is called Meme Factory. Well, the Meme Factory website is simply a marketplace where you can sell literally any kind of meme. Just visit their website at memefactory.io. You'll be able to see this beautiful homepage full of amazing memes. And when you look at the top bar of Meme Factory's homepage, you can see they have a smart and easy-to-understand tagline that reads, "A decentralized registry and marketplace for the creation, exchange, and collection of provably rare digital assets." Now, when you look at the memes listed, you'll realize that each of them has a name and how much it converts to indicated in cryptos, which is then converted to dollars at cash out. That just shows you how much people are earning from memes that they post. In fact, one of the memes on this platform is selling at 0.20 ETH, which translates to about $600 for each meme sold. Now, that's a good amount to make in a day, considering that you can post even more and more memes, and when another one sells, you pocket another $600, and another one sold, you pocket an extra $600. Therefore, it is a cool way of making money. But just don't stop there. Continue watching, because we're not yet through. I need to show you exactly where to get those memes easily so that you can just post and wait for people to buy. But before that, let's see how you can get started with the memefactory.io website. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, comment down below if you have any queries or suggestions. And if you are interested to know how I make money online, then go ahead and check out the first link in the description box to get started. Now, here is how you can get started with memefactory.com and even submit memes to start earning. On the homepage of memefactory.io, on the left side of your screen, you can see a menu there. Under Dank Registry, click on Submit, and a new page opens where you can now submit a new meme to the registry for consideration. Just make sure to fill accurately the details of your meme. Begin by uploading your meme, and you must ensure it's less than 1.5 MB. Fill in the title of your meme, which must be funny, add tags that are related to the category of your meme. Then add a few comments which explain your meme before clicking on Submit button. Your meme is then sent directly to the Dank registry for consideration. Once accepted, it will be displayed on the marketplace for people to buy, allowing you to start earning. So just be sure to choose a niche that is popular to increase the chances of your meme getting noticed by potential buyers. Now, if you're worried about how to create the memes, then we got you covered. You are not going to create your own memes. I'll show you a website where you can easily get memes without having to design them literally. So you don't need to be an expert graphic designer or have any experience or skills in using graphic software to start earning through memofactory.io. All you need is to visit the websites I'm about to share with you, and you can easily get free memes which you can download before uploading to memofactory.io to start earning. The first website that you can use to get memes absolutely free is memodroid.com. This is where you'll get thousands of free funny memes that you can download. When you visit memodroid.com, you'll see several memes. But I want you to get memes that can earn you more money. So go ahead and filter for the best meme by clicking on Top Meme, located on the left side of the homepage. Choose Top Week to get the best meme for that particular week. Just scroll through the top memes of the week to find the one that relates to your chosen niche, then download it. To download a meme on this website, you simply right-click on the meme of choice and click on Save As, and this will download the meme to your computer. Now, that is the meme that you can upload on memofactory.io to start earning. The second website that I cannot forget to mention to you is Jiffy. This one offers free GIF memes and funny clips, which you can easily download and submit on memofactory.io and start earning. Visit jiffy.com and search for funny memes, then choose the ones that relate to your niche and download them. The downloaded memes can then be submitted on the memofactory.io website to get you earning. We now have a marketplace for our memes and a source of free memes. But there's one thing remaining that can help boost your earnings, and that's the Facebook strategy that I promised earlier on in this video. Now, Facebook is a very popular social network, with so many people interested in unwinding their day by watching funny memes. This is where we're going to get traffic. You'll have to join any of the popular funny meme groups on Facebook. This is where you'll be sharing the link to your meme from memofactory.com. And as people view the post, they'll click on it, go to the meme and share it, and some are going to buy, and this will get you earning. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. The secret here is to work hard and drive as much traffic as possible from Facebook to your meme on the memofactory.com marketplace. The more traffic you're able to drive, the higher the chances of making more sales of your meme. So be sure to post your meme link on as many popular Facebook meme groups as possible to increase your earnings. That way more people will interact with the link, and the chances of some buying the meme are very high. And even if one buys, you pocket $300. If two buy your meme, you get $600. This is not a get-rich strategy, but it can help you to get something in your pocket as an easy passive source of income. If you like making money online, be sure to click on the first link in the description for free content on how I make money online. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.